In this video, I will show you how to load your CSGO config into CS2, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. First, we need to locate our CS2 config folder, which is usually located in the local disk C, or in my case in local disk D, and then click on the Steam folder and then user data, and here select your user. In case you have more accounts like me, this number right here is actually the number from your trade link, and you can check which account is that by just clicking on the trade link. Okay, now click select your user and then open the 730 folder, and then local, and then CFG, and now open the config file. This config file has all the necessary config files for CSGO. Now simply copy everything in this config file and you can paste this into a different file for CS2. There are two methods to do this, and I will start with the easier one, which is creating an Autoexec file. To create an Autoexec file, return to your Steam folder and locate the Steam apps, and then Common, and then Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and then Game, and then finally CSGO. Inside this folder, go to CFG, and here we are going to create a new text document, and now simply paste the copied CSGO config into this new text document. Now there are a few changes you need to make. First, remove the ambient all to prevent any conflicts. Next, replace the move right with plus right and move left with plus left, and now locate shift speed and replace this with plus sprint. And the last comment is no clip speed, and just press Ctrl and F and search it and change it with no clip underline speed 1000, because this is the default for CS2. And now let's save the CFG and change its format to all files. Rename it to autoexec.cfg and save it. You should now have an autoexec file in the CFG folder of the CS2. After that, you can delete the original text document. And now launch your game, and if everything went smoothly, your config should be applied. And don't forget to write exec autoexec.cfg command in the console after you start your game. Thank you for watching, I hope this was helpful, and if it was helpful, share this video with your friends so they could also know how to load their CSGO config into CS2.